I would say the best skill to have as a designer is the ability to adapt to anything thrown your way and be quick on your feet and go with it.
You have to imbue the product and the experience that you're developing itself with the values. You have to be able to have the music do the talking. Slogans and phrases plastered across your website are all well and good, but in the end, it's the product and the user experience that reflect your values and mission.
How they're going to interact, what is going to be the most durable, the most efficient, the most clever, the most fun. You should never be afraid to be cutthroat with your own work. Your mind's telling you this prototype's not working, something's wrong with it, just scrap it. You're going to create something better the second time. Design isn't just prototyping, it isn't just about making maps and understanding the user's journey. It's thinking about the long-term effects, about the little details and the big picture.
When you're exhausted and demoralized and confused, that may well mean that you're on the verge of a change in perspective that will be the breakthrough that you need. Focus on making the dent in the world. Put the mission first. Do good.
I'm Amy Zukowski, and this is my design class.